Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 26th March 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 5.5 points up move at the level of 11,371. US markets have done pretty okay for itself. 14 points up on DowJones, 5 points down on Nasdaq, and 2 points down on S&P. So, seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets to open in flat to green in today's pre-open and open session. Indian markets have crashed all the way from the level of 11,600 levels, now at the level of 11,354, which is a very strong support for the market as of now. See, there is a very big support of the Fibonacci retracement at the level of 11,354 levels, and this is where the market has stopped at this particular point of time. Let's see what Indian markets has to offer. The Indian market supports, first of all, we have to watch out for is 11,300 levels and 11,280 levels, 11,252 levels, 11,231, 11,220, 11,200, 11,171 are the levels of support we have to watch out for if the market has to fall more or fall below. And what are the levels of resistances we have to watch if the market is to take support at the level of 11,354 levels and then go upwards. The levels of resistance we have to watch out for are the levels of 11,391 levels. 11,400 is a very strong resistance as of now. The levels of resistance above that is 11,435, 438, and 11,450. 11,500 of course is a very strong resistance for the market as of now. Above that, 11,550 and 11,581 are the levels of resistance we have to watch out for. If the market has to go more up from there, 11,600, 11,650 and 11,700, 11,760 are the levels we have to watch out for as resistance in today's and upcoming sessions. MACD is in a blast. The market is giving a great momentum upwards. That's what MACD is suggesting. But fast stochastic is slowly deteriorating from the level of oversold zone. It is now at the level of 83, whereas 90 and above means that it is in a oversold zone, overbought zone. And slow stochastic also is slowly diverting from the level of 90 and above, which means that if it is above 90, it is in a overbought zone. So now that is the technical analysis knowledge for you guys. If you want all the technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. I'll be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis in 91 Springboards Residency Road on 30th and 31st of this month. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.